Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a fall holiday look today. So here I have my gorgeous model. We already went ahead and moisturized. We're going to go straight to the bottom brow bone and just outline the brow using the BH Cosmetics concealer palette. Just going to blend that out. And then next I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base and then blend that out all over the lid to prep it for the eyeshadow. Okay, so boom, I already did one eye. I'm going to go in with the next eye and just put this green color all over the lids and blend it into the crease. And then I'm going to use another warm caramel shade on the ends of the eye to just blend all of that green color together. These colors are all from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Next, I'm just going to use a green color from an Urban Decay palette that I have and just blend that on the outer corners of the eye just to kind of blend it in with that green that we already laid earlier. Once that's on, I'm going to go back with my NYX eyeshadow base and then we're going to carve out the lid to make a halo effect. Now going back into the middle of the lid, I'm going to lay a pink color where I have the halo carved already. And this is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette again. Okay, so now I added some bling. I went ahead and used the MAC Holiday glitter to just put all in the middle of the lid just to give a little bit of a pop to it, and the glue that I used was from NYX. Now I'm going ahead and just filling in the brow with my favorite NYX brow pencil. This is literally the best. I've been using it non-stop. It gives the best natural brow. After I did that, I went ahead and primed the skin with a Maybelline primer. Next, going in with the BH Cosmetics concealer palette again to just color correct any dark circles or discoloration areas. After the concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay mixed with a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me foundation and blending that all over the skin. We just gonna pat it all in. So now I'm going ahead and I already mapped out the face and I've used the concealer from LA Girl and I'm also using the concealer from NYX to contour and highlight, and we're just going to blend all of this into the face. Hey, blend it baby, hey, blend it baby. Okay, so we're blending, bitch, okay? Blend that whole thing in. Blend, bitch, come on. So now I went ahead and just set the whole face. I'm using Ben Nye Banana Powder under the eye, and then I'm using ABH the contour palette just to contour down her nose and her cheekbones and just under the chin as well. Once I do that, I'm actually going to go back in with some of the eyeshadows that I used previously and just go ahead underneath the bottom lash line and blend those colors out. After that, off camera, I did set the entire face with NYX loose powder. Now you're going to see me applying some eyeliner. I'm using one from Wet n Wild. And afterwards, I'm going to go into the lips using a Wet n Wild lip liner. For the lipstick, I'm not sure the color, but you can use any nice neutral lip and just pop it on top, and you can use gloss as well to give it a little extra moisture and shimmer. I went ahead off camera and I applied the lashes and some mascara. Now the moment that I've been waiting for, I'm sure if you love makeup as much as me, you've been waiting for this, is to highlight. So we're highlighting all of the high points, bringing that light and that shimmer back into the face. And I'm just blending out that highlight just to tone it down and, you know, also blend it into the skin and the foundation. And then I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, just set all over the face. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of highlighter and enter some into the tear duct area as well. The highlighters that I'm using are from BH Cosmetics and also Urban Decay. Yes, honey, come through, okay? She is ready for that holiday dinner, that Christmas party, that everything in between. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy holidays.